Are you willing to build a new home for you and your family, to shift from your apartment to maintain safety as much as possible during this pandemic? Then you're at the right place. Ultimate Design will give you top 5 latest interior designing and architectural ideas that you should surely keep in your mind before buying or building your home during this pandemic. With these ideas and technologies of interior designings, you can now make your home fully safe and secure for you and your family to stay and face it with full preparation. Before any further ado, please subscribe to our channel to get the latest informative videos about interior design and construction. For your better understanding, we have divided these ideas into 2 sections, one for house interiors and one for office interiors. For office interiors, we have to take care of some important aspects such as modular solutions, more open spaces, more use of stairs, enhance the use of public touchless sinks, use of antimicrobial materials and lots more. And for house interiors, we have to take care of natural ventilation strategies, enough supply of sunlight and clean air, use of antimicrobial surfaces, insect repellent plants as house plants, smart glasses, use of non-porous materials, antibacterial colors as paint and lots more. Let's start with the antimicrobial surface. Coronavirus survives for different time periods on different surfaces like 120 hours on metals and ceramics, 96 hours on wood and glasses, 76 hours on plastics and stainless steels, 24 hours on cardboard, 8 hours on aluminium, 4 hours on copper, 3 hours on papers and tissues. So you can see it survives least on papers and copper. Copper is a natural antimicrobial surface that has no off-gases and ages with a beautiful patina over time. It can self-sterilize its surface without any need for electricity and bleach. Copper has the ability to kill 6 disease-causing bacteria and it has excellent strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. But what about expense? Copper is always more expensive than plastic or aluminum, and often a pricier alternative to steel. But keeping in mind the pandemic, it is a one-time investment but lifetime service. If you wish to design your home with latest products and best designs in Pune or Maharashtra, contact us on 8178088690. Or if you wish to buy any of these products, you can now get them at your fingertips by simply messaging us on our WhatsApp number +91 72493 76763. Or you can visit our website findinteriordesign.com to post any queries or doubts. Click on the Add Topic option and log in if already registered, or you can first register yourself if not registered. After logging in, fill a form according to your query, and tap on the Post button to register your query. Our second idea is to use touchless appliances. Make your daily routine more hygienic and free from germs and bacteria with touchless faucets. Activates in just 20 milliseconds, 5 times faster than it takes to blink your eyes. These touchless smart faucets connect directly to standard home power, so there are no batteries to replace, and a manual override option lets you use the faucet if the power goes out. Water flows out when your hands approach it and will stop at once when hands draw back, which saves water too. The main purpose of touchless faucets is to reduce the transmission of microbes from one person to another to decrease the chances of spreading any illnesses caused by viruses, but it saves water too. Besides that, touchless soap dispenser, touchless sanitizer dispenser, touchless door openers can be used to avoid the contact with the viruses. Our third item is antimicrobial flooring. Cork flooring, germ-free tiles, antimicrobial carpets, vinyl flooring, concrete flooring, bamboo flooring, epoxy flooring are the natural antimicrobial and antibacterial flooring options. But there is 2 special flooring options that I have to mention are quartz and terrazzo. Quartz is one of the hardest non-precious stone on earth, made of ground quartz combined with a small amount of resin, which is stain and scratch resistant and antimicrobial. Quartz is completely non-porous, so resealing is not needed for germ protection. It is an abundant material, so it has a lower environmental impact, and requires less fuel to manufacture and transport, so it is a all-in-one package. Terrazzo flooring is completely antimicrobial, making it one of the most sanitary flooring choices for almost any space. Seamless, non-porous floors are easily cleaned, and minimize the area where bacteria can accumulate. Preventing the growth and spread of bacteria, terrazzo flooring provides durability, beautiful aesthetics, and low maintenance costs. A terrazzo floor can assure that your floors will be bacteria-free for the entire building's lifespan. Our fourth idea is to use insect-repellent plants and candles. Insect-repellent plants and candles are another great idea to stay away from virus-conveying conductors. Basil or pudina, chamomile, coriander or dhania, fennel or soft lavender, lemongrass, rosemary are some insect-repellent indoor plants and also easily available. Insect-repellent candles are made from 100% natural ingredients, which is safe for adults and children. It contains pure essential oils which prevents insects from getting insecticide resistance. Our fifth and the last idea is to use effective ventilation strategies. For reducing the rapid spread of viruses, effective ventilation strategies and enough open spaces require, which helps to maintain the social distancing. The more the offices and houses are ventilated, the more it reduces the chances to get infected. Increasing ventilation can also reduce risks from particles resuspended during cleaning, including those potentially carrying SARS-CoV-2 or other contaminants. Natural ventilation refers to windows and exhausts where air can naturally flow in and out of the room without any sort of mechanical item playing a part. That means it saves power too. Convective air movement is an effective process which gives hot air somewhere to escape, letting cool air enter from lower levels, so that area keeps on ventilating continuously. Cross ventilation utilizes differential wind pressure. When the external air is cooler than inside, windows on opposing sides of the house can be opened up. Cool air will enter on the windward side due to the natural flow of the breeze, and will pass out on the other side, replacing warm inside air with cool outside air. For effective ventilation, the position of the windows and doors have to be in the correct location, and the design of the interior walls can benefit from natural prevailing breezes and induce convection flow. So these were the top 5 interior designing changes, which you can apply for your home or office to stay fully prepared during this COVID period. If you want second part of this video, then please reach this video to 1K likes. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.